I can't root out loud. You know I'm rooting for him. You know I can't. That's his teammate. Come on, Coop.
Pull that foot out, Jake.
Nicholas Miller, mat 2. Nicholas Miller, mat 2.
Jake's like, how do I do this?
I think that was Lucas's best pin ever. Is that like 9 seconds?
Was it even that long?
Come on, Coop. Oh, I can't say it. Oh, if I say Coop, no one will know who I'm rooting for.
Nope. I've never seen Jake in this position yet.
Who's my husband catching a rap with?
Come on, Jake!
Finally, stalemate. Yeah, thank you.
Who's the bim? Who's the bim talking to my husband?
Where? Oh, I don't know. Look, that's new. I don't know.
What's the problem?
I never knew. That's Jackson DeSario's mother.
Oh, okay. Okay, now he just gave that kid
1 point.
Why is she going that way? Come on, Jake!
All right, Jake.
Come on, Jake. I'm not saying that, am I? Come on, Jake.
Yep. It is what it is.
Come on, Jake! Take him down, Jake!
That's it, Jake. Keep fighting.
Get your head out!
All right, keep fighting, Jake. Go. All right.
There you go!
Oh, way to go, Jake.
This is actually a very good matchup because I know both of them. It's a really good matchup.
Oh, you know the other kid?
Yeah, he trains with Lucas.
Okay, I was going to say he's pretty good.
What's the score?
2-1.
2-1, Jake?
Yeah. He didn't give him your fault.
2-1? How did the other kid get 1?
Jake did something.
Oh. Come on, Coop! Where did my husband go?
He's right behind you.
Keep working.
That's what he did. Adam wants to take a picture of me. Coop's wrestling Jackson.
No.
Not to be vocal for.
I'm being vocal, and that's when I looked at the woman and said, "Who Jackson's name?" She said, "Yes, I'm sorry." She says, "Everybody knows him."
That was really funny.
5.
Oh, Jake, come on, honey. Let's go, Jake. He definitely beat him, and it was either 9 or 11. That's what I was thinking. What's the score now?
5-2.
Oh,
Jake.
I turned around. That's why I'm asking. Unfortunately, that means Lucas and Jacob. Well, Lucas has to be Griffin first.
Who's that?
The one who won the round before, Lucas wrestled.
Oh, okay.
5-2,
He
Scott.
beat Jaden. The kid who beat Jaden.
Oh, okay. Come on, Jake!
Keep over.
Get out, Jake!
That's it. Keep over, Jake. Keep over. That's it.
Keep, yeah.
That's it.
Keep going, Jake.
Keep going.
Keep fighting, Jake.
Keep going, Jake.
Good turn.
All right. Come on, baby.
All right, break it down, Jake.
Team score update. Still in the lead, Morris Fitness, still followed by Ola.
Third.
Oh, that was pretty.
Right, roll.
Yeah.
All right, Jake.
Good job, Jake.
Way to go, Jake.
All right, Jake.